In medieval China, there was a bizarre law that stated anyone who dared to sneeze in the presence of the ruler would be sentenced to a year of serving as the royal jester. This law, believed to have been created by a whimsical advisor to the ruler, caused great fear among the people. One day, during a grand banquet, the ruler himself let out a powerful sneeze, causing the entire court to fall silent in terror. But instead of enforcing the ridiculous law, the ruler burst into laughter, declaring that from that day forward, sneezing in his presence would be considered a blessing and bring good luck. And so, the once feared law became a cherished tradition, with the ruler himself leading the court in joyful sneezes during every celebration. This unexpected turn of events became a legendary tale, illustrating the whimsical nature of the ruler and the unpredictability of medieval Chinese law.